Hello everybody. Welcome to Birds News Report. Today I'm doing a news report about birds and how to protect them. These birds are at the lowest point of extinction, so what can we do to help them? So the first thing that causes them to might go extinct is deforestation. A species of type of parrot is endangered because of this problem. The next thing we can do, climate change. We can help prevent climate change by making sure we use renewable products. Climate change has been causing animals to leave their homes, including birds. And when they leave their homes, they're unprotected and there's fewer food. Some birds cannot survive anywhere else and they can die. So what can we do to help them? First thing, stop deforestation. And we can also grow new trees for birds to live in. Next thing, always use renewable products. You can use sun, water, wind. That is a lot of things. You can turn wind into energy. So we can do these to protect the birds.